Crunchy, spicy, and flavorsome, this caramelized pork mince paired with fried noodles is worth of trying if you're looking for something beyond wings and fries to add to a glass of cold beer. It's easy and fast to make. Let's start right away. First, toast a handful of cashews in a small pan, and please keep an eye on it, not to overdo it like I did when filming this video. Then, in a larger pan, heat the peanut oil on medium, add minced or food processed onions, and saute them for a few minutes. Add minced pork, choose lean pork if available in your grocery store, and combine with the onions. Bring the heat to high and brown the pork until it starts turning golden. Stir frequently for a quick and even browning. And then add minced garlic, finely grated ginger, 5 spice powder, love it. Then pour in the Chinese barbecue sauce, char siu sauce, and give it a good stir. The sauce will trigger the caramelization since it has honey in it, so stir it in well to coat the pork mince evenly. And replace the char siu sauce with sugar or maltose if you're allergic to honey. The last thing to add to the minced pork is Chinese rice wine, shaoxing, which will enhance the flavors and aromas even more. Go and stir in the minced pork until it is nicely glazed, shiny, and turns into small popcorn-like pieces. At this point, the caramelization will be officially over, so turn off the heat. Now the garnishes. Spicy chili peppers, chives, lime, cilantro are all great additions to this delicious caramelized pork. Add as much as you like, as the amounts of the garnishes are solely up to your taste. Now the fried noodles. If you ever wonder where to get them, I left a few links in the description below, check them out, including the stores here in Metro Vancouver area that carry this item. Fried noodles are crunchy, have neutral taste, and don't require further cooking. I use them since I wanted to have a beer snack kind of side dish. If you want this to be a fulfilling dinner, replace the fried noodles with regular ones that have been cooked and call it a day. To serve, I spread the noodles over a large platter in a thin layer, and when the pork slightly cooled down, added it on top of the fried noodles, garnished with chopped chives, chili peppers, lime chicks, cilantro leaves, and my super toasted dark cashews as the final touch. I enjoy this recipe a lot, and it's now my favorite when I need a speedy something which I can quickly turn into a full dinner or have it as a beer snack. If you like this idea, let us know in the comments. For more inspiration, browse our channel a little if you are here for the first time, and let us know which recipes you may give a try. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments as well. We respond fast. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next videos.